Where are we going to end with this? Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping bot. In this channel, I show you the progress I have with my bot based on a Python program, and I use the scalping bot to make profit on the Nasdaq market. But you can use the bot for any other market you want to, because the strategy is the same, or you implement the AI to think along with you. So if we're interested, there is a video series how to build such a bot like this, except for the AI. That video still has to come at this point, but then you can do it on your own and you can make your own profit. This is the daily report of this channel, and in the daily report I always tell you guys what I did change on the bot, how the bot functions, and how we look at the profits or the losses we made today. And I think that's gonna be a short one today, as shorter as usual, because sometimes there is nothing to report. Well, let's say we start with the first point of order. What did I change to the bot? I changed at the bot something enormous. I changed at the bot the sleep time of the market closed. I saw yesterday, even after there was a 4,500 second sleep, 1 hour and a quarter, as long as this is 5 to 11 until 10 past 12 is 1 hour and a quarter. But yet, after it was done, it fetched the first candle and the market was still not there. So it turned down, we got an error, it tried 9 times, we got an error, and everything went wrong, and I had to restart the bot. And to prevent this for this evening, we have to go another hour, I changed the value from 4,500 to 4,800, so another 300 seconds, as in 5 minutes, extra sleeping time to bridge this gap between 5 to 11 and 10 past 12. And we will see if it's enough. If it isn't, then I will add some more seconds to it. But I hope it is enough. And that's what the changes of today. Like I said, the major changes. Now, only this one were the ones that we actually did change. Good. Next item on the list on the daily report is the functioning of the bot. And if you look at the bot, it functions very well. I said there's nothing much to report today, so this is it, what I have to report. The bot functions well. It's, of course, after almost 3 weeks of 3 weeks online for you guys, but I am already working on this bot for several months now. After working on this bot and testing it for the last couple of weeks, somewhere it had to go as it was planned to be. So today it functioned exactly like I planned it to be, and I can say today I was very pleased that there were no bugs, and I was following, of course, what the bot did during the day, and I did not see anything strange happening, so that was good. Nothing to report there. Then we get to the final part of the report. Oh, this is so good. It's gonna be a 5 minute or something. If you guys don't look the full 5 minutes to get my viewing hours up, because I need viewing hours, please watch as many videos from me as you can, because I see that most of you only watch 3 or 4 minutes, and please watch something more. Watch some more minutes, because I need the viewing hours too, and not only the subscriptions. And it would be nice if you guys also look at the rest of the videos. That would help me a lot. But nevertheless, this is gonna be a very short daily report. Because in the last step, in the last phase of our daily report, we're always gonna look at the market and how the market did today and how the bot reacted to the market. Well, let's take a look. I'm gonna disable the bot. I'm gonna view. Well, if I look at the market, and we see that the market today, and I will go back a bit, the market today was as slow as always in the morning, my morning. In the morning it was slow. You see a slow sell setting in, not that much, but slowly it's getting down, and the bot did react on it. But the real sell started this afternoon when the market opened, and you see there was a large drop from about 2 o'clock. Yeah, about 2:30. You see a large drop coming in, going down, 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 and the sell was starting. And it's about to be happen. And now we see that it's bounced back up again to the point it was this morning. But I expect for the next couple of days, for this week and maybe next week, I expect that there will be another drop, because we cannot stay at this height in the market. There's gonna be a point that everybody says, this is it, this is the max I wanna have, sell, and they gonna sell. But we saw a dip in the market, not a dip, ooh, wrong word. We saw that the market came down, up, down again, up and down, and then for the last couple of hours it went back up to almost the same point as it started today. Who did make profit was the bot. If we look at the bot made, and I see in between that I was recording this, the bot made today a total of almost 27 euro. And I started it, restarted it. No, I started it at 1 a.m. this morning, after I noticed that the bot didn't start up on its own. So I had to start it manually. So from last night till now, the bot has made, and now it's 24. So there is a positioning, Did he just open a position while talking? Yes, there is. And nice to report too, I see that the contract size just went up, because it was all day 0.1 to 0.2. And the current profit loss is minus 317, and still we have a profit of almost 25 euros today. And I see a negative counter here, 8 of 9. So I expect that those 3 euro and 17 will be gone in a minute or so. We shall see. There it is. Yes. So today's profit, because I don't think, yeah, you never know, but I don't think the bot will start another position, but you never know. the profit of today is 24 euros and 27 cents. And that is the 5% profit we looking for every day. And 5% off, we started with 433, is almost 24. I calculated starting with 400 euros, 5% of 400 is 20. So if I made 20 euro today, it would mean a 5% profit. How did this happen? Well, let's take a look at the report. And the first profit was already at 1:30 in the morning, 1:30 a.m. with almost 2 euro and 67 cents. Then a loss of 5 euro cents at 3. And then we had some small profits during the early morning hours, I see. Yes, small profits, nothing large. Then we had a series of losses during the late morning hours. All losses, but also small losses, small profits, small losses. And then in the afternoon, around the market opening time, we went up and we had some nice profits. I see here one of 8.50. I have one, I saw another one of 7 euro, 6 euro, and another profit of 7 euro here, and another profit of 8 over there. So the profits were good, and there were also losses, of course, but a stop loss of 4.74 euro is compensated by a profit of 8.62. And that's part of the strategy, is half the profit is your stop loss. Then when you have a take profit, you compensate for that stop loss, and if there is another stop loss, you can also compensate for those. And then hoping for the next take profit. So this strategy, what I use in the bot, is functional, is working as planned. And now we see that we started yesterday, this morning, with 431 euros, and we ended today, although the day is not to end yet, with 455, which means a 25 euro profit. That's not bad at all. If we look at the entire week, and then starting at Monday, 18th of November, we started at 421. No, we started at 420 on Monday, and we're now at 455, means a 35 euro profit in the first 3 days of this week. Not bad, I would say. 10 euro every day? Means 50 euro at the end of the week. That's nice, don't you think? You want to join? Now I have told everything I needed to tell you. I know it was a short one. You saw the profits, you saw the functioning of the bot, and you saw what I changed in the bot, in the coding. And that means that we are at the end of the daily report. If you want to see something more from me, if you say, John, give me some information about, leave a comment, and I will read in the comment that you want to see something else in the daily report every day. Just tell me what you want to see, and I will try to implement it. If you cannot leave me a comment, you can't, but you can also reach me in my Discord server. I'll leave a link in the description, and you can look at me right now as I am live on Twitch, and you can talk to me and chat to me about the bot, about everything you want concerning the bot, the market, etc. If you like, please press like for the video. Please subscribe for the video to see more of these videos for you, but also look a few videos more, not only this one, but some other ones too, because I really need the viewing hours. And leave a comment. I will react to all the comments. So this was it for today. I'm signing off at the end of the daily report with have fun.